Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to link Zigo with Just Eat. First, open the Zigo delivery app on your phone. Tap on Work Providers, then select Add Work Provider. From the list, choose Just Eat and accept the terms and conditions. Tap Agree, then Add. If your account is not linked, tap Account Not Linked and select Link Account. You'll be redirected to the Just Eat login page. Log in with the same email registered with Zigo. Enter your password and complete any verification steps. Once completed, you'll be redirected to Zigo, and your Just Eat account will be linked. And that's it. That's how to link Zigo with Just Eat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.